Yeah, I'm just out here enjoying the waves. What o'clock is it? 6 probably. Yeah. Of course we're gonna go fishing. So I'm recording a video. I promised the Goofish I want to make a video for them because they took care of my warranty. And I showed them video, like I already have like 6 Goofish rod and a bunch of fucking fish here, 15 feet of water. So I promised them I want to kind of just, you know, help them out. I'm not sponsored or anything. I would never take sponsorship. So their slow pitch rod. There's a whale. All right. Oh, very possible. So today we're fishing exclusively slow pitch jigging at Pacific City, and showing you this Goofish. She has one. 100 or 120, either. I think we just missed that school, because that was a big school there.
Yeah, it's not very accurate though.
Yeah, not very active either. So again, I gotta find that school again. So let's find that school. Pause, click, new waypoint, navigate to, go to. See if that school's still there, because we probably got drift off. About right here. Let's see how it happens. Just like that, I got a fish. Oh, I just lost it on the surface. Try again. We're gonna limit today. Oh, lingcod. Lingcod. It's a small one. Oh, I think it might be a legal one. I don't know. Small lingcod. Yeah, you will do that. I got too excited when I catch a fish. So I got one. I want to keep this one. It's gonna be a good day. Goofish rod. Telling you, this is the best way to fish for bottom fish. Never use bait ever again. Nice. There you go.
Just look for a grip for kayakers.
I know. Is my GoPro recording? What? I think my GoPro's not recording. Alright, just got one on. That's a Goofish PE2-4. But yeah, look at that. This rod works. Let me switch it up. I'm gonna do a California special. These Oregonian know nothing about, or Washingtonian don't know nothing about. And I'm gonna put on a slow pitch rod because I love the action for it. 3-way swivel, 2 of them. Actually, Oregon law allow you to fish with 3 hook, but 2 is enough, seriously. Oh yeah. Oh. You don't have to pump. Just keep reeling. Yeah, keep reeling. You don't have to pump with those rods. Oh, how big? Okay, net it, net it. You gotta net this one before you release or do anything. Release it.
Oh, it is?
I think that's a cabezon.
It's like fat.
Yeah, it's very big cap, but small body, right? Oh. Cabezon, release it. Yeah. Gotta be, I think it's July 15.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah. But that's a good fish. Yeah, cabezon, their head, if lingcod heads like that, it's at least like 20 something inches. Hey Sean, that's a cabbie, right?
Yeah, that's a caddy.
Yeah. Gotta let it go.
Nice catch though.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Nice and slow, got hooked. Double. California special. Double black rock. Goofish rod. Again. Fish on. Well, like reel back. Another big rock. Yay!
Good time, Blake. Doing good. I got my 4 rockfish already, and I don't have another big line, but it was just a big cabezon. I'm trying to get this yellow eye off right now. Nice.
All right. It's a small rockfish. Gotta be. All right. I limited on rockfish. Yep, 4 rockfish. Yay. Limit. Now let's go get lingcod. I limit my 4 rockfish. Now I'm going to get some lingcod, and I promise Nasco I will FaceTime him. And as I promised, I limited on rockfish. And when I limit, I FaceTime you. So I got like my 2 black right here, big ones. And I got 2 on my other stringer. Well, your reception sucks, so having fun trolling for your California flounder, I mean halibut, same thing. I'm gonna go after some lingcod. Oh, even bigger rockfish. Well, since I'm limited, I gotta let it go.
What longfish?
Another one. Probably need to release this one as well.
That's the big one.
Yeah, it doesn't feel big. Oh, lingcod. Lingcod. Yeah, it's a baby though. I'll show you. I have to release it. So you see the body, how it has those hexagonal shape. You caught lingcod before, right?
Just today.
Oh, nice. Yeah. So yeah, this is a lingcod. It's different than cabezon. Remember how big the cabezon's head is and compared to the body?
Yeah, those are like long and skinny, huh?
Yeah, their head, like when, that's why when I saw the head earlier, I'm like, oh, that's a big head but small body, so that's a cabezon. I mean, in Espanol means the big head, right? Cabezon. All right, vámonos. All right, that one's gone. We found them. They're just babies. When I don't record, I get a good thing like lingcod. This look pretty small. This look pretty small. I'll measure it. Stop doing that spin. Definitely too small. Oh, it's a keeper. It's 23 inches. So I don't have my grip. I lost my fish grip in the surf because I'm an idiot. Yeah, because you know the plastic thing? I think I lost it when I launching. So 23 inches. That's like right on the, I mean 22 is a keeper. So
Christian, is that you guys out by the buoy out there?
all right. Got a keeper laying.
Hey Christian, we're north of the buoy. We're kind of like where the boat
All right.
cluster, kind of north right
Whee!
over this way.
Perfect.
Roger, you guys get
Just dropping this down. There's a school. "92 feet of water. Think I'm on the bottom. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, it's peeling. Hope that's a ling. Ling ding dong. Hopefully I'm limited right now. Maybe this one needs a gap shot. Nice and easy. Don't get too tight of a drag, so limit it. Limit. That's a legal one for sure. Yeah, it's gonna run. I'm gonna let it run. Limit. See, this is definitely legal. My kayak is 28-inch. Yeah, let's measure for the heck of it. Oh. If I lose this one, it's gonna be my curse of Memorial Day weekend. Every Memorial Day weekend, I get a lingcod and I lose it. Every freaking time. And let's see. No, this is not a proper way of measuring. $26, $25, good enough. Sorry guys, I can't fish anymore.
Okay, just find us.
I did. All right. Whew. So did you get a halibut or what?
We have like each one on the board. 30. I got a 32-incher and Ellie has a 34-incher.
Awesome, dude. Well, looking forward to see your video. Okay.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Look at this. Look at this, dude.
That is tag when you called me the first time.
Look how beautiful this is. I'll be eating good this season.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what? Sorry.
So it's 4 black rock and 2 ling. Yeah. My friend right there, she's waiting on 1 more ling, and the other guy out there, he's waiting on 2 more rockfish and 1 ling, and then we'll head in.
Right.
Yeah. All right. I'll see you. All right. Bye.